Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma with All Things Handmade. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to create, how to price, how much to invest, how to buy it at wholesale, and how to sell it. Let me get ready and let's get to work. In this video, I'm going to share an ink that I already did 2 videos in regards to this ink, and I'm going to put links up above here of the 2 videos. I did one video including the review, the printing of a t-shirt with it, and another review with the printing of a sublimation mug. So I'm going to go ahead and put the links for you guys. But all I really wanted to share with you guys, those of you who already decided to try this ink, this is how it used to come. And it had these syringes so that you can get the ink from here and put it into your Eco Tank printer. But now they just recently came out. They keep coming out with good products. So keep an eye on them. It's called Hiipoo. And then so now the new ink is the same bottles. These ones are 100 milliliters, and these ones are they're the same size. They just look different. So here's the 4 inks. But now the good thing about it is that you can open it. This is special for those eco tanks. It has this thing that it goes right on top of the tank, and you can transfer your ink just like that. So I got very excited when I received these. I hope you guys try it. Look at the items that I printed on my other videos, and you can see the quality of the ink is really good. I'm also going to put some images up here showing some of the reviews that I grabbed from Amazon, and on the description box I'm going to put a link of both of the inks so you can just buy whichever one you want. That's pretty much all, you guys. I'm very excited about this new item. I hope you guys give it a try. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. What other videos would you like me to make for you? But other than that, may the Lord bless you today and every day, and see you until next time. Thank you.